السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حلقتنا بنتكلم فيها النهاردة عن حاجة اسمها صفات الملكية. تعالى كده نتعرف النهاردة على الصفات الملكية، وهناخدها بكل التريكس اللي في الجرامر، وهنزيد عليها كمان بعض الاريومز اور اكسبريشنز. أول حاجة لازم نتعرف عليها في الصفات الملكية، أنا لازم أعرف إيه هو الضمير الصفة الملكية. تعالى كده نتعرف عليه. يلا، أول حاجة I الصفة الملكية منها my، he his she her it its we our they their you your. أول سؤال ممكن أنت تسأله، الصفات الملكية دي أنا بستخدمها ليه وإمتى بستخدمها؟ بستخدمها ليه؟ علشان أما أجي أتكلم عن أي حاجة تخصني أو تخص أي حد لمملوكة له. طيب، تاني حاجة بحطها فين او بجيبها فين في الجملة؟ ممكن اجيبها في اول الجملة وممكن اجيبها في وسط الجملة، لكن عمري ما هجيبها في اخر الجملة. طيب، حاجة مهمة جدا لازم تكون عارفها، ان الصفة الملكية لازم يجي بعدها على طول اسم مملوك. يعني انا جبت الصفة الملكية على طول وراها اسم مملوك، انت بتكون مالكه او هو بيكون مالكه او هي بتكون مالكها ايا كان. تعالى يلا نبدي امثله علشان نفهم الدرس بتاعنا كويس. انا عايز اقول دلوقتي انطباعي الاول، اقولها ازاي؟ my first impression my first impression
my first impression my first impression my first impression my first.
انا عايز اقول دماغي بتوجعني او راسي بتوجعني، هقول كده my head is killing me my head is killing me. يبقى انا جبت my وبعدها كلمه head. اوكي، يبقى انا كده جبتها في اول في اول الكلام. طب انا عايز اجيبها في وسط الكلام، عايز اقول دي سيارتي، هقولها ازاي؟ this is my car this is my car. ويبقى احنا كده اتعرفنا على الصفات الملكيه، وكمان اتعرفنا على مكان الصفه الملكيه فين في الجمله. طيب ركز معايا كده علشان هنتكلم بقى على بعض. لو انا عايز اقول لحد كده علشان خاطري، هقولها له ازاي بالانجلش؟ فبقول له كده for my sake for my sake، زي ما هنسمعها في الفيديو كده بالظبط.
For my sake will you spare him?
For my sake as much as for children.
He sacrificed his career for my sake.
But please, for my sake, just.
عايز اقول لحد كده من فضلك اقبل استقالتي، هقولها ازاي؟ Please accept my resignation. Please accept my resignation.
Please accept my resignation. Please accept my resignation. Please accept my resignation.
طيب. عايز اقول لحد كده بشروطي on my terms on my terms.
My own way.
طيب.
On my own terms.
Completely on my own terms.
On my terms.
On your own terms.
طيب، عايز اقول لحد حياتي كلها my entire life my entire life
Entire life. My entire life. My entire life.
عايز اقول لحد كده هو انت فتشت اغراضي، هقولها له ازاي بالانجلش؟ You went through my stuff. You went through my stuff.
My stuff? You went through my stuff?
You went through my stuff.
You went through my stuff?
You went through my stuff?
You went through my stuff?
Went through my stuff.
طيب، عايزين نستخدم الضمير اتس. لما اجي اقول لحد كده اياك ان تحكم على الكتاب من غلافه، هقولها ازاي؟ Never judge the book by its cover. Never judge a book by its cover. هنا استخدمنا الصفة الملكية اتس.
Never judge a book by its cover.
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 لما اجي اقول لحد كده استمتع بوجبتك، هقولها ازاي؟ Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Yeah, enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal, Mrs. Castorini.
Enjoy your meal.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Politics are his passion. Politics are his passion.
Taste of his own medicine.
A taste of his own medicine.
A taste of his own medicine.
Give him a taste of his own medicine.
A taste of his own medicine.
bark is worse than his bite.
Well, they say his bark is worse than his bite.
My bark is worse than my bite.
Your bark is worse than your bite.
His own.
To each his own.
To each his own.
Each his own, Tony. Each his own.
To each his own, right?
To each his own.
Well, to each his own.
Wow. To each his own.
Don't take his side.
Don't take his side. Okay, don't take his side.
You violated our agreement. You violated our agreement.
Reconcile our differences.
Reconcile our differences.
Reconcile our differences.
Reconcile differences.
Can reconcile their differences.
Reconcile their differences.
Reconcile their differences.
Reconcile their differences.
Have our work cut out for us.
We have our work cut out for us.
We have our work cut out for us, but
We have our work cut out for us.
At our disposal. At our disposal. At our disposal.
Time is not on our side. Time is not on our side.
We all have our secrets. Well, we all have our secrets.
we all have our secrets.
We all have our secrets.
We all have our.
Exceed their goals. Exceed their goals. Exceed their goals. Exceed their goals.
Eat their words.
She stuck her nose into my business.
Tony's afraid of her own shadow.
That kid's afraid of her own shadow.
We all know Elizabeth is afraid of her own shadow.
Afraid of her own shadow.
Here's your change.
Here's your change.
Hey! Here's your change!
Here's your change.
Here's your change.
Lose my number, Liam.
Which means lose my number.
Lose my number.
Lose my phone number.
Keep your shirt on.
Can you promise to keep your shirt on?
Keep your shirt on.
Don't slam the door in my face. Don't slam the door in my face.
Myrtle, don't slam the door in my face.
Against my will.
Against my will.
Against my will.
I've saved my trump card for the last. I've saved my trump card for the last.
That's your trump card.
Because that's your trump card.
This is his trump card.
What's his face?
Like, what's his face?
What's his face?
What's her face?
How long ago did you break up with what's-her-face?
You're gonna let what's her face?
Clumsy seven.
Guys, you look like so-and-so.
When so-and-so met someone else.